Assalamu alaikum. Students, today we have to do exercise 1D, question number 7. According to this question, they are saying the force of repulsion, F Newton, between particles is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. And distance is showing with small d meter. Okay. As you know that distance you have to measure in meter, centimeter, kilometer. So this distance is measured in meter. So its unit is meter. And here the force, we have to use the variable F for showing the force, and its unit is Newton. Okay. So what shall we have to do in this question? They are saying write down a formula connecting F and D. Very easy, as you know that it is inversely proportional. So we know what is the connection between these two variables. In the first place, which variable is given? F is given. So you have to write it here. F is equal to, it is inversely proportional. So for inversely proportional, we use small letter K. And the second variable is this distance D. Okay. Always remember that in direct proportion, in this K and the second variable are multiplying, but in inverse proportion, what is their relationship? It is the second variable will be dividing. So F is equal to K, and look here, they are saying square of distance. So here we have to take the square of D. So I have to put the symbol of square. Wait. Okay. So this is F is equal to K D square. This is a formula which connect F and D. Again say the force is inversely proportional to the square of distance. So force, we have to use this F, and then we have to do this. Okay. Now comes to the second part. According to the second part, they are saying when the particles are certain distance apart, okay, the force of repulsion is 20 N. Find the force when the distance D is half. Always remember, first of all, we have to find the value of K. Before finding the value of K, we are unable to find this force because here K is unknown, force is unknown. So it is impossible that we have to find its force. Okay. They only gave us that the distance is half, but they don't give us about the rest of it. Okay. So what shall we do when the particles are certain distance apart? So we have to do it. Look here, I will tell you. First of all, we have to write this equation again, the connecting equation. It is very much essential. Okay. Always remember, whenever you have to, you want to do part 2 or 3 or any, as you have already done, first of all, you have to write this equation. Okay. Now come here in the question. They are saying, in the first place, they are saying force is 20 N. Okay. This means the value of force is given, and that is 20 N. So instead of writing force, I just put 20. Clear? But we must remember that distance is not given. So in mathematics, always remember, whenever anything is not known, what shall we do? We have to, for finding this unknown, we use the variable. And usually we use the variable x. Okay. So let the distance be x. Okay. Now we assume that the distance be x. Okay. So here force is given, that is 20, and distance is not given, and we have to assume let the distance be x. So instead of writing d, I have to write x. Okay. Distance be x. So comes to this. So this one, look here, 20 is equal to k over x square. Clear? So what shall we do? Here x square is dividing, so I have to put it here on the next side. So here it will be multiplying. Okay, so I have to write it at 20. Now I have to put this x here. So it is equal to k. Okay, 20x square is equal to k. So what is the value of k? That is 20x square. I think so. This one is clear to all of you. So now we come to this question. They are saying, look here, find the force. Now we have to find the force when the distance is half. Okay. Now it is very much easy to find the force because k is given. Firstly, I have to put this a value of k here in this equation. Okay. This one is a connecting equation. So in this connecting equation, I have to put the value of k. Okay, I have to use the second place. Look here. Here, look here. Here I have to put the value of k, that is 20 x square. I have to write x square. Wait, just so here I have to write. Okay, f is equal to 20x square over d square. Okay. Now they are saying the distance is half. We have to find the force and the distance is half. Look at this question. For distance, we assume that it is x. And if I want to take its half, this means I have to divide this x with 2. Okay. So here 20x here I have to write this. It is half. So this one is x 2. I have to put the bracket. Okay. So it is equal to look here. Just a few seconds. Okay. Look here. F is equal to 20x square over x by 2. Now we have to take it square. X square and 2 2s are 4. So it is equal to x square over 4. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? So I have to do it. Okay. Just give me. So it is equal to x square over 4. It's clear? First I have to take its square. So d square means x by 2. So it is equal to x square by 4. Okay. Okay. So here I have to write. Okay, look here. They are saying if force is, you have to find the force when the distance is half. So half, how you have to write the half distance? X by 2. So you have to take it square. So it becomes x square by 4. Clear? Okay. Now we have to solve for this value. Look here. Look here. This line shows that it will divide it. So instead of write this line, I have to put the sign of division. Just wait. Yeah, okay, I have to write in English. Divide. This line shows okay, it will divide it. So whenever we have to convert this division into multiplication, we have to take its reciprocal. This fraction x square by 4, we have to take its reciprocal. Okay. So in the next step, okay, look here. So okay. So we have to multiply. Okay. 4 divided by. Okay. So this one is a 20x square multiply 4 by x square. Clear हो गया? So x square will divide with this x square. Okay. So it is equal. So 20 multiplied by 4. Okay. So 20 multiplied by 4. So it is equal to 24 times 80. So it is equal to 80 Newton. Is it clear? Now it is clear. Okay. Again, we comes to the question. Look here, they are saying when the particles are certain distance apart, the force of repulsion is 20 Newton. Find the force when the distance is half. First, we have to assume that the distance is x. Then, firstly, we have to find the value of k. After finding the value of k, then we are able to find the value of f because the distance is half, so x by 2 square. So we have to take its square, and then we change this division into multiplication and take its reciprocal, and then after solving we will get this is equal to 80 N. So the force is 80 N when the distance is half. This is all for today. Okay, then Allah Hafiz.